Eagles fans, what a wild start to the season opener in São Paulo, Brazil. Saquon Barkley has been an absolute force, scoring 3 touchdowns and proving his worth in his debut with the Birds. The fireworks started after a slow beginning, and Barkley's versatility has been on full display with power runs, double coverage receptions, and scrambles. Yet, the field conditions in Corinthians Arena have caused issues, raising concerns among players, and even catching the attention of stars like LeBron James and J.J. Watt. Still, despite the challenges, the Eagles' offense is shining. Remember to like, subscribe, and share our content with your friends. Turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates from the NFL season.